Hey y'all, I am back. I wanted to talk about some scalp disorders and treatments. As this topic is of demand, I would say, because a lot of people don't even know the difference between dandruff and seborrheic dermatitis. So I'm here today to talk about dandruff alone. Let's just talk about dandruff, okay? And then hopefully by the end of this video, you'll be able to understand the difference between dandruff and seborrheic dermatitis, okay? So scalp disorders, scalp disorders and treatments. As a natural hairstylist, y'all know I have to have a thorough understanding of scalp disorders because that's just what I like. And I have a background in medical assistant. So scalp disorders and treatments, things like that, intrigue me even more. So when I have clients that have those disorders, I just apply more love and attention to their scalp needs, if that makes sense. Okay? So me having a thorough understanding of scalp disorders and treatments protect me and my client. Okay? As much as I know, I can transfer to my client and I can keep them knowledgeable of what's going on, why their scalp looks this way and that way and things like that. So I am a skilled natural hairstylist. I'm skilled and knowledgeable. And as a natural hairstylist, I am able to identify certain scalp disorders that could be harboring communicable diseases, okay? Like dandruff. Dandruff. It's mostly communicated in the Black African American communities. We typically deal with dandruff a lot, especially when the seasons change like now. That's why this topic is so important right now, because a lot of people are experiencing dandruff right now and a lot of people are experiencing seborrheic dermatitis. But I'm here to let y'all know the difference so you can know how to treat it, okay? Excuse me. So dandruff, the outermost, I'm drinking my tea, y'all, so y'all have to excuse me. I'm trying to give myself a break from the energy drink, but let's just dive into it. So dandruff is the outermost layer of the scalp, which is also called the epidermis. Okay, that layer continuously sheds and replaces dead skin cells. Okay, so a natural shedding of these small skin cells is normal. Okay, that's a normal human occurrence. You should not be confused. That should not be confused with dandruff. Okay, I just want to let y'all know that that's normal. It's completely normal. That's just what our scalp is going to do. Now, epidermis. What is epidermis? Okay, so you don't get confused. Epidermis is the protective, non-vascular outer layer of the skin on your scalp. Okay, for y'all that don't know what non-vascular is, it's related to the blood vessels on the skin, okay? So in the salon, I typically like to measure my clients' hair. That's why you see me with the measuring rope around my neck, because I like to keep up with my clients' lengths. In order for them to understand the power of hair growth, I like to share their hair length with them. That way it can motivate them to maintain their hair at home. So I'm just not the only one maintaining their hair growth for them. Okay. Now y'all know I have to let y'all know about why dandruff is being caused, okay, internally. Okay. Internal factors of dandruff is poor circulation, metabolism is the big one. Hormone imbalance is another big one. Poor nutrition, your diet, is a big one. Lack of water is a big one. Stress and tension is a big one. Get you a good natural hairstylist and stick with her.